Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream of mushroom soup. First, grab 1 can of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup, some milk, and a saucepan. Open the can and pour the thick, creamy soup directly into your pan. Next, use that same empty soup can to measure out 1 full can of milk. This ensures you get the perfect consistency every time, making your soup wonderfully smooth and flavorful. Now, slowly pour the measured milk into the saucepan with the soup. Using a whisk, gently stir the mixture until it's completely smooth and any lumps have disappeared. Place your saucepan on the stovetop over medium heat. Remember to stir the soup frequently as it heats up. This prevents it from sticking to the bottom and ensures it warms evenly throughout. Continue heating the soup until it reaches a gentle simmer. It's important not to let it come to a rolling boil, as this can affect the texture. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it's heated all the way through to your liking. Once hot, your comforting cream of mushroom soup is ready to be served. Enjoy it as a standalone dish or as a versatile ingredient. You can easily customize your soup. Try adding a pinch of black pepper, a dash of garlic powder, or even some dried herbs for extra flavor. For a heartier meal, stir in some sautéed mushrooms, cooked chicken, or even some leftover vegetables. It's a great base for many dishes. And speaking of fresh, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.